Welcome to Learn and Fun with Amal.
A is for apple, apple. A is for arrow, arrow.
A is for apple. A is for arrow.
B is for ball, ball. B is for balloon, balloon.
B is for ball. B is for balloon.
C is for car, car. C is for cloud, cloud.
C is for cloud. C is for car.
D is for door, door. D is for dog, dog.
D is for door. D is for dog.
E is for eggs, eggs. E is for earth,
E is for eggs. E is for earth.
F is for fan, fan. F is for flower, flower.
F is for fan. F is for flower.
G is for green, green. G is for grass, grass.
G is for green. G is for grass.
H is for heart, heart. H is for hat, hat.
H is for heart. H is for hat.
I is for ice cream, ice cream. I is for iron, iron.
I is for ice cream. I is for iron.
J is for jar, jar. J is for juice, juice.
J is for jar. J is for juice.
K is for kettle, kettle. K is for key, key.
K is for kettle. K is for key.
L is for ladder, ladder. L is for lamp, lamp.
L is for ladder. L is for lamp.
M is for mailbox, mailbox. M is for moon, moon.
M is for mailbox. M is for moon.
N is for nail, nail. N is for nine, nine.
N is for nail. N is for nine.
O is for orange, orange. O is for oval, oval.
O is for orange. O is for oval.
P is for penny, penny. P is for pear, pear.
P is for penny. P is for pear.
Q is for quack, quack. Q is for question mark, question mark.
Q is for quack. Q is for question mark.
R is for red, red. R is for rocket, rocket.
R is for red. R is for rocket.
S is for sun, sun. S is for sunflower, sunflower.
S is for sun.
Subscribe for more interesting videos.